highest position, may I introduce to you Jose Luis C. Victoria for President. Young Lasalians, once again, Big Hero 7.
As a president, what can you contribute to the student council?
I'm going to contribute a lot of fun activities for the students, for the teachers, and even activities to support the less fortunate. We're also here to make activities that will help everyone and will make everyone become better people in their lives.
I'm going to contribute more activities to interact with the students.
Name a teacher you consider a good leader and tell us why. Name a teacher you consider a good leader and tell us why.
A good teacher? That's hard to say, but I'll say everyone. Each and every teacher that's here is a very good leader because everyone here teaches their students in the very best way possible. Can you repeat?
Name a teacher you consider a good leader and tell us why.
Can you repeat?
Name a teacher you consider a good leader and tell us why.
Actually, all of the teachers are good leaders because they teach us to be good leaders.
May we call on first Master Jose Luis C. Victoria from Team Big Hero 7.
Hi everybody, how are you guys today? I can't hear you. How are you guys? Now that's better. For those out there who don't know me, I'm Luis Victoria from 5A, but you can call me Luis. With me today are the Big Hero 7, and we come up with cool ideas from our nerd lab. We will be your heroes in school. Let me start off by saying thank you for this opportunity. Thank you to everyone who's been supporting me so far, especially my class 5A. 5A? And not only them, also the teachers and every student here. Everyone here looks very inspiring and is also a good goal for me. Now, here's why you should vote for me. I'd like you to get to know me. I'm responsible, reliable, and friendly. I've won a lot of awards before, including gold medals in speech competitions, bronze medals in general excellence, and outstanding conduct awards. I'm also good at communicating and listening, which is why I can voice out your cool and sometimes crazy ideas. I live and breathe our LaSalle and 5 Cs. I'm competent, confident, compassionate, Christian, and committed. Something important in being a leader. But there's another C I'd like to add. Cool. Because just like any of you, I'm a typical student. I'm a big fan of video games. Does anyone here like video games? And music. I also like music. I love playing the guitar and also like singing. Also, I like pizza. Who doesn't? Now, here's what I do if I were to be elected as a future SCO president. I commit my time to the SC office and I'll listen to your wants and to your needs. Your vote will be your voice. I will represent the students well and ensure that the school will hear your voices. I'm going to ensure that you have a cool and exciting school year next year. Who wants a gaming contest during our fairs or better food stalls in our cafeteria? That's a lot of you. And just in case you want to tell me something, I'm going to put up an online suggestion box so that you can tell me your ideas and suggestions. And also, I have other plans. For the students, I'm thinking of an amazing race competition or a gaming and toy convention just like Comic-Con. How about an awesome surprise for our teachers on Teachers' Day? And of course, let's not forget our less fortunate brothers and sisters. So I'm thinking of a Share a Toy campaign. for them. I'm looking for a new angle in keeping us students happy. I'm motivated and determined to help you all. And also here to support the faculty, who does a great job in teaching us in the best way possible. Let's all say thank you to our teachers for teaching us in a very great way. And of course, I'm also here to make fun activities focused on keeping us students happy. My team and I have a goal. That is to be our big heroes. Remember to vote for us, the Big Hero 7, because when we win, you win. Ano Malasang!
Thank you so much.
May I request Team All-Star to please stand up. And Team Big Hero 7 to kindly stand up. Gentlemen, this is now your time to cheer for your party. And as we give them a big hand, please.
The two parties, Big Hero 7 and Team All-Stars. I hear a mix of All-Stars and Big Hero 7. So we now sit down, gentlemen. And the partner of thank you, gentlemen. Silence in 3, 2, and 1.